Hey, I'm so excited for you. You've taken the first step into creating passive income for yourself with an online business. So I truly believe that every man and woman and business owner over the age of 40 who's not had a chance to save enough money for their retirement can earn a great stream of income for that retirement through online marketing. I know today you're all looking at your 401ks, and as we speak today, some of them are down 40 or 50%. As interest rates rise, we've seen our bond accounts fly down the other way as well. We've tried to go to safety. We've looked at things like reserves. And things like reserves, guess what? As of yesterday, the Bank of America was only paying 0.06% for reserve account. And unfortunately, with the rate of inflation going on, that is just not fitting the bill. You understand what I'm saying? Literally, I'm sitting there at the gas pump yesterday. Gas is currently over $5 a gallon. For most of us, it's closer to $6. And so as I'm pumping out that gas, I say facetiously, what am I going to have to give up today? If you got kids in college, are you worried about making that tuition payment? Or maybe you're worried about buying food. So as that gas goes into the thing, I'm worried if we're going to have top ramen tonight or steak. So what's the answer? Well, I think the answer today is online marketing. So what we all need to do is learn how to build what I call a digital asset. The digital economy is the #1 way to start a business today. You know what? I came across this about a year and a half ago. I'm at the point that I'm starting to earn some consistent income online. I mean, certainly I can't promise you thousands of dollars, but what I can promise you is if you are willing to put in the work, those tens will turn into 20s, will turn into hundreds, will turn into thousands, if you're willing to take the time to do it. Now, if you're one of those people that's a fence setter or a tire kicker, refer this on to somebody else who's actually going to do it. I don't like wasting time with people that are not action takers. And so what I'm going to do today to give you a shot at this, and you know what? I don't give everybody a shot at it. I want to introduce you to the 15-day challenge. My friend Dave Sharp is going to introduce you to a 15-day challenge about how to earn money online. If you're willing to take the time and do this 15-day challenge, and you're willing to put aside 1 to 2 hours every day, I can promise you that in time you'll learn how to make money online. The beauty of the internet is that it works for you 24/7, so you don't have to have employees. I promise you, I've been a business owner for 33 years. I've also been a manager at a major convenience store chain. And guess what? Dealing with employees is difficult. The internet, the good thing is, it doesn't talk back to you. It does what you ask it to do. But you have to take the time to communicate with people in an effective way. And so with that, I'm going to leave you to your 15-day challenge. And every day when you wake up in the morning, tell everybody, I want to be legendary. Now's the time.